How to get kills in Kingshot. I'm going to tell you how to rack up kills in Kingshot and make your attacks count. First off, always scout your target before engaging. Check their hero lineup, troop levels, and gears so you can optimize your army formation. Deploy a balanced mix of infantry or tanks, archers for damage, and cavalry as flankers, in ratio like 5-3-2 or 6-2-2, depending on what you see. Matchup matters since each troop type beats another in the triangle. Level up your heroes and gear strategically. Infantry needs high health, while archers and cavalry need lethality for burst damage. Time your hero ultimate during crucial moments like rally or PvP battles. Using crowd control first, then triggering damage boosts can double your effectiveness. Don't forget to join rallies. Coordinate attacks and alliance buffs often yield far more kills than solo strikes.